Susan Goings for the second time tonight. As I look out at every one of you and see most of you, some of you with your mask on, and I just took mine down to speak, I don't need to remind you that we are in the middle of a pandemic. And so with that being said, my topic is to talk to you about the Clifton Forge Health Department. I've had the privilege and the honor of volunteering with the staff and the nurses of the health department, and I signed up for the Medical Reserve Corps and actually gave COVID vaccinations when they needed me to. Without a doubt, we have an excellent group with the Roanoke, Allegheny, and Clifton Forge Health Departments. They are top-notch nurses and staff, and so I want to brag about them. But what I would like to give you is just a small list of what our local health department does. It does adult and childhood immunizations. It does communicable disease control, community assessment, community outreach and education, environmental health services, epidemiology and surveillance. And these are just a few of the many things that they do. And I feel like that Clifton Forge needs more access to healthcare services in our town. And I would like to see the doors of the Clifton Forge Health Department open up once again. And so I don't know when it closed and what communication you have with the state health department and the localities, but I think it's very important that we provide the services on an even more local level than we currently do.
Oh, thank you, Susan.
Thank you.
I will say I talked to Teresa because, you know, when we're trying to get vaccinations down here in Clifton Forge, she told me they had a fire over there, but they planned on coming back to Clifton Forge in October. But that was in like early summer.
But I think they need our support.
Maybe.
I think I would like for us to reach out to them again and say, what can we do? Is there anything we can do? Maybe we can reach out to the state health department as well, because I know they are employees at the local level and or the regional level, because it's the Roanoke, Allegheny, Clifton Forge.
Right.
But certainly it would be nice if we could maybe.
Was that when we talked to Teresa?
Teresa is the contact person for our area. She
I don't have
is.
any problem reaching out to her. Do you?
Actually, I have reached out to them. The building is in dire need of severe repair. They had a fire, the hot water heater caught on fire. The hot water heater leaked and flooded the building. So the current state of the building right now is not usable.
And because it was closed, the only way they knew they had a fire, she told me, was water was running out of the building.
Right.
So the building is not in a usable state right now. That is a different issue that needs to be dealt with the landlord. And all of that happened right just about the time that the virus hit full swing. And they've not focused their efforts on getting that building repaired. They do plan to come back to Clifton Forge, and they plan to go back in the same site. And, you know, what I think we probably should do is reach out to the landlord through our rental inspection process, encourage them to make the repairs, and then in turn reach out to the health department and say, I agree with you, what can we do to get you back down here more quickly than what we're talking about.
Thank you.
Thank you.